Hello world and welcome. Today we're gonna start a series with HomeLabbing. I have these type of mini PCs, switch and hard drives and the regular stuff. And it's a mess. It's hard to maintain it, to properly to get to anything. So yeah, I wanted to make it better. Yeah, I wanted to make everything in 10-inch rack. So one of the most popular racks are the Despi. So everything's good, but one of my problems is that I need at least 9U size. So they have more than 9Us, so they have 12U size, but the price 244 euros, like, yeah, okay, it's well built, there's a lot of reviews and whatnot, but okay. The next thing is the depth of the rack. So all of these racks sorry, not all, there are almost 8-inch and there are 10 and something inches. So the deepest one they have is 26 centimeters. Sorry, I'm in Europe. So my problem is I need the depth of 35 centimeters. So, okay, let's 3D print it. So one of the most popular home lab racks is lab racks. It's stackable, everything's cool, you can stack it whatever height you want, but again, the depth is the problem. And then comes the HomeRacker, which is a new one from Keller Lab. And yeah, he has a 10-inch rack, 19-inch rack. You can build shelves for books, like Gridfinity drawers and whatever. So I was like, okay, cool, let's try it. So that's what I've been doing and printing a lot of things. So I can see everything is like Legos. You can build it in whatever size you want. The depth and everything. So the tallest that I can print with my bamboo P1S is this one, which is 34.4, so almost. But the thing is that you can make it taller, like this. So it's one more, and let's make one here. So from one side to the next, now it's almost 38 centimeters. So we're cool. But even if you don't have a bigger printer, you can still make it bigger. You can just add 2 of these together. It would be like this, and add to this. and so on and so forth. Like the idea of this, like you can stack it in whatever way you want. That's the beauty of it. Like if you want the long ones, you can make them. I'll just give you a small example. So yeah, this is the idea. When you stack it up, it's holding well, like without any rack stuff in it. So this is just the base, the frame. Everything else is straightforward. You build it as tall or wide or whatever as you want, right? For rack mount ears, sorry, let's just put these ones here. So you see the full picture. Yeah, I know it's not the best to do like this, but and I don't remember. So yeah. So yeah, when you put the pins in here, it's solid. So the idea with the racking as for 10-inch racks, you have these. There's the other one. So how to mount your 10-inch rack? You have these ones, you have rack studs, which we all love. Put them in and hold your rack in place. But yeah, overall you can modify, make it as you want. And the best thing, like all about this, is the openness in the community, and you can have a second life to it. It's like if you move from your 10-inch rack to 19-inch rack, then you just make it as bookshelf. So you can print these ones, now it's a bookshelf, and in whatever size you want. If you want, you can extend it, or okay, not shorten it, but yeah, like, man, like this is fantastic. And then you can make it as whatever like you want. You can make it like this, all the customizability. So yeah, at this point I'm very happy with it. I don't like this solution, but yeah, we'll see how it goes. But otherwise, yeah, I will stick to it. I will print more things, and thumbs up, killer.